today we're going to do a llama. I'm going to show you step by step how to do a llama. They became quite the rage a couple of years ago, and I can see why, because they are adorable. So I am going to begin at the bottom of my board, and I am going to do like 2 letter U's. And I'm going to connect it. These are going to be his legs. I'm going to connect it for his belly, and then I'm going to come up on this one for his back. And then for his neck, they have a pretty long neck. I'm going to come almost to the top of the paper, like a big hill. And then I'm going to come in for his face, and then I'm just going to connect it to the other leg. At the bottom, I'm going to create his 4 legs. So I'm just going to do a number 11 here, and a number 11 here. And then just 2 little simple feet. And I'm going to do it again here, a number 11, and a number 11, and 2 more feet here. Okay, now we're going to do his eyes. We're going to give him closed eyes with some long eyelashes, and part of his snout and his mouth. We're going to give him some big ears, and maybe a couple little hairs up on top. And llamas always have really cute little pads on their back. So maybe we can put a nice pretty pattern on there. A little collar. Wouldn't it be fun to ride a llama? And you can add some other patterns here. And don't forget the horizon line behind the llama. And one little tail. Maybe we're going to make his tail look like it's shaking.